Hello everyone, this is lesson number 58 and let's start. First word for today is 难过,难过, to feel bad. We know 难, it's like hard, difficult. 过, we also learned in last lesson, it's like spend time or just to pass time. Here's some past time. So I feel difficult times, you can say, to feel bad. 难过. I feel bad because my grades are not good. 我难过，因为成绩不好，不好。I 难过 I feel bad. But why? 因为 because 因为成绩 I think it's a word from this lesson. 成绩不好. So my grades in school, grades in university 不好. Yes, you can see here's fourth one, but we need to use second. 不好,不好. Oh, 不好. I think both could be. 我难过，因为成绩不好. Let's see this one. I think this 不 is changed a bit. Oh, it's alright. 不好,不好. Okay. 我难过，因为成绩不好. Not good, right? Next one, he cried sadly. 他难过的哭了。哭 it's to cry, but it's past simple, so 哭了. And here's describe how does he cry. 难过 sadly. It's not sad, it's an adverb because this right? Sadly. 他难过的哭了。他难过的哭了。And next one, seeing him feel bad, I'm very concerned. 看到他难过，我很关心。看到 it's like seeing or to see something. 看到 let's see some variation. I think both could be. To see, find, to witness. Witness is also a good one. Observe. So to see him. 看到他难过 so seeing him feel bad. 看到他难过，我很关心。关心 is concern. Also could be care about, look after, attention, indifferent. So here is also, as you can see, concern. So concern, I'm very concerned. 我很关心。看到他难过，我很 we need to say this one a second. 我很关心。我很关心. Okay. Also, this one will be in next. I think it's word from this lesson. Next, as I said before, it's 成绩,成绩, achievement, grades. 成 it's to become, but here's I think accomplish something. And 绩 it's results. So achieve some results or some merit, some performance. You can say achievement, right? Grades. 成绩,成绩. My grades have improved. 我的成绩提高了。提高，提高 it's to improve, to raise up, to enhance, increased, advanced. So, 我的成绩 my results, my grades 提高了 have improved or have been improved. As again we see this a lot because it's already finished action. 我的成绩提高了，提高。His grades are very good. His grades are very good. 他的成绩很好。It's pretty simple, right? 他的成绩很好，很好。他的成绩很好。Bad grades make me feel bad. 成绩 不好，让我难过。成绩 results 不好，not good. So bad grades or 成绩不好，让 it's here is to make someone or let someone allow, but here is I think make is okay. 让我 makes me or make me 难过 to feel bad难过 also feel bad or sad, sorry, upset. So upset is also okay. 难过 or to feel bad, so it's not only adjective, also could be. 成绩不好，让我难过。Next one, it's a bit advanced. It's 照相机。It's it's a photo. Or to make a photo. Picture. To do, follow, shine. So reflect, understand. So it's a verb to do a picture, right? To make a picture. 机 it's a machine, okay, opportunity machine, but mostly opportunity computer or something like that. And 想 has a lot of different meanings. I think it works together with 相机 camera, cam. So it's altogether just camera. 照相机 let's see. I use a camera to take pictures. 我用照相机拍照。拍 is to take, but not to take, it's to take a picture. 拍 it's to take, shoot, film, picture, but together it's work. 拍照 take pictures, take photo. So it's a bit different from English. 我用照相机拍照。As you can see here, 照 also the same as this 照. And we also need to use a 拍. I think 拍 it's like a verb. 照 it's more like also could be verb. 拍照. I think you can say it's one word. 我用照相机拍照。Let's say another. The camera is in my bag. 照相机在我的包里。The camera 照相机在 is this在 works together with 里，在什么什么里，在我的包，my 包 it's a bag, so 我的包 my bag, but 在我的包里in my bag, so 照相机在我的包里 inside of my bag. Next one, he bought a camera. 他买了一个照相机。他买了it's to buy, to bought something, but bought because it's mild or past present perfect or past simple finished action. 他买了一个照相机。He bought a camera. Sometimes it's a measure word. 个 sometimes also could be. I think it could be another measure. Let's see. It could be Thai. As you can see, Thai also could be bu. But Thai is also, but Ge is universal. 他买了一个照相机。Next one, it's a bit also advanced. 信用卡 credit card. 信 it trust, 用 it's to use, 卡 it's just for card. Just similar sound in English, in Chinese. Ka. So as when you use your trust, xin yong, trust use, it's a credit, right? Because you need to be trustful person to someone get you a credit, right? Xin yong ka. Let's see. I use a credit card to buy things. 我用信用卡买东西。I use 我用信用卡。信用卡 I use credit card for what? 买 to buy 东西东西 things 我用信用卡买东西 Next one, the credit card is very convenient. 信用卡很方便方便 also we will see I think very soon. It's convenient. Also could be easy, handy, accessible. Also accessibility, but convenient is okay. 信用卡很方便 the credit card is very convenient, or to use the credit card is the same, right? 信用卡很方便Next one, he lost his credit card and feels bad. 他丢了丢 it's to lose something, so he lost. 他丢了信用卡很难过 here's you can say he lost his credit card. 他丢了信用卡 and he becomes, and you can say 他现在 or now 他很难过 here's he feels bad, but in Chinese it's a bit shorted version. 他丢了信用卡很难过 feels very bad. Next one, one bowl of something. Let's see. I took a bowl. Let me see. So it's bowl. 我拿了 I take 我拿了 or I took, right? Because it's past. 我拿了一个碗吃饭 I took one bowl 一个碗 to do what? To eat. 吃饭 to eat. 我拿了一个碗吃饭一个碗吃饭 bowl. Let's see another one. The bowl is on the table. 碗在桌子上 So this one is very popular in China because they eat food from this bowl. For example, rice or some noodles also could be. 碗在桌子上 on the table, right? 在桌子 table. 碗在桌子上 on top of something, right? And last one is this bowl is very clean. 这个碗很干净 clean. 这个碗 this bowl 很 is very 干净 very clean. 这个碗很干净 oh 这个碗很干净 if you read it fast you need to change this to second one. 这个碗很干净 this bowl is very clean. Let's repeat what we learned today. 难过 to feel bad, to feel sad. 难过 I think it's mostly to be upset, also could be to feel bad, right? Sad, sorry, upset, hard, difficult. Also could be bad. 成绩 成绩 achievement grade. 4. 照相机 camera photo camera. 信用卡 credit card. And last one is one ball of something. And we have one new idiom for today. It's last time we learned 滥竽充数. Play the flute poorly to fill up a number or pass off as qualified. 滥竽充数. But it's a bit advanced. Let's see, maybe today is a bit easier. 杞人忧天. What does it mean? 杞 it's a place, some place. 人 it's a person. 忧 it's to worry. 天 it's a sky. So the man from 杞 worries about the sky. Or unnecessary worry. It's pretty interesting. 杞人忧天. Let's see. So this man feels scared because alarmist worry. So he worried because because the sky could be fall. The sky could fall one day. His unnecessary worry isn't needed. 他杞人忧天没必要. May is not 必要 necessary. Be it's to must. 要 it's I think 必要 it's necessary. Necessary, required, needed, essential. 他杞人忧天没必要. So here is very interesting. 杞人忧天. And that's all for today. See you in next one.